Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to use the Niyo Global Virtual Card for 2025. If you're someone who travels a lot, shops online internationally, or just wants a secure way to handle your finances, this virtual card is a must-have. It's a digital card from Niyo that lets you make payments without needing a physical one, and it's packed with features for 2025 like enhanced security and zero foreign transaction fees. First things first, you need to get started. Download the Niyo app from your App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once it's installed, sign up with your email or phone number. If you're an existing user, just log in. Now, head to the virtual card section in the app. You'll see an option to generate or activate your Niyo Global Virtual Card. This is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set it up. Make sure to create a strong PIN for added security. Next, fund your card. You can link it to your bank account or add money directly from your wallet. The app makes this easy with instant transfers. Once your card is loaded, you're ready to use it. For online shopping, simply enter the virtual card details, like the card number, expiry date, and CVV, provided in the app. It's perfect for sites like Amazon, booking flights, or even subscribing to services abroad. One of the coolest features for 2025 is the real-time transaction tracking and alerts. You'll get notifications for every purchase, helping you stay on top of your spending. Plus, with built-in security like biometric authentication and the ability to freeze the card instantly if needed, your money is safe. A quick tip: always check the exchange rates in the app before making international payments to maximize your savings. And remember, this card works with major networks like Visa or MasterCard, so it's widely accepted. There you have it. Using the Niyo Global Virtual Card is simple, secure, and smart for 2025. If you haven't tried it yet, download the app today and level up your financial game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. See you in the next video.